before we proceed, administrative matter. Yung pong nandito for the first time at hindi pa nakapag-oath, pakitayo lang at the Director General is directed to administer the oath.
Those who are here for the first time, kindly stand up and raise your right hand. Ms. Napoles and Attorney Villa. And that's po yung kanang. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this proceeding? Thank you. You may take your seat.
Okay. Para sa kaalaman ng lahat, pagka tinanong kayo at sasagot kayo, pakipindot yung microphone para marinig kayo, no? Page, paki ano. Ms. Napoles. Ms. Napoles, good morning po.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. Meron po kayong abogadong dala ngayon?
Wala po.
Wala. Okay. Nandyan sa tabi ninyo, in fact kanina nakita ko kausap na ninyo, yung tatlong attorney na galing sa Public Attorney's Office. Nakausap na ninyo at gusto mo bang, do you want a few more minutes to talk to them, to confer?
Pwede po?
Yes, pwede. I will give you, how many minutes do you want?
Around less than an hour, so that...
Less than an hour?
Mr. Honor, because...
Half a day? No, I'm just kidding.
We just
No, we'll give you 10 minutes. If that is not sufficient, then you tell me. But we'll start with 10 minutes. It's 10:16. 10:26, we start again.
Can we request for around 30 minutes? We need a quality time with our client. This is the first time that we have met Ms. Napoles, Your Honor. And I believe she's entitled to quality time with her counsel, Your Honor.
Okay, it's 10:17, 10:30. Up to 10:30.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
In the meantime, session is suspended.